How to change shipping address on AliExpress. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change shipping address on AliExpress. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your AliExpress application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, here at the bottom right, you'll be able to locate account icon. Tap on this icon, and once you reach to this page, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to the settings page. Here, you'll be able to locate shipping address option. Tap on shipping address, and by doing so, here you'll be able to see your shipping address. If you want to add a new one, you can simply tap on add new address at the bottom and fill in all required fields including your name, phone number and complete address. And if you want to edit an existing address, then find the address you want to change from here and tap on the edit button right here. Once doing that, you will be taken to this edit page. Here you can now change your address. Once after updating your address, scroll down and tap on the save button right here. After that, you will see you have successfully changed your shipping address on AliExpress. So by following these steps, you should be able to change your shipping address on AliExpress. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.